Hi guys, in this video we will learn how to find cube of any number. Here basically in Vedic Mathematics we can solve cube of any number very easily using Anurupya Sutra, which is based on below formula. In mathematics we have this formula: a plus b whole cube is equal to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. We can further simplify this like this: a cube plus a square b plus 2a square b. To say this, I'm writing 3a is equal to a plus b, 2 plus 2b. I can write it like this. So similarly, I split this 3a square b into two terms: a square b plus 2a square b. Now again, what I can do, I can split this one into a b square plus 2a b square, and last term we have b cube. Okay, now I'll write it down like this: a cube plus a square b plus 2a square b. Okay, so the same thing I'm writing below this: a square b. Okay, now a b square, writing it here, and then I'll write 2a square 2a b square below this. Alright, so 2a b square. Now next we have b cube, right? So if you observe carefully, what we have here is a cube, right? A cube, and we have a square b, correct? This is our second term, right? So what I can do is, if I multiply a cube with b by a, what I get is a square b. Okay, this is our second term here, right? So similarly, if I multiply second term a square b with b by a, you will get a b square, which is this one. Okay, now again I'll multiply this third one with b by a b square into b by a cancel, it will give you fourth term, right? So this one. So if you multiply first with b by a, you'll get second term, and similarly if you continue to do that, you will get first these things. And what you have to do at the end is, since you have this answer, just double that number, you'll get this one. Okay, you don't have to substitute all the numbers in place of a b and then calculate this entire thing. Instead of that, if you follow this approach, you can calculate cube of any number very easily. Okay, let's take one example and I'll show you how to do cube of a number using Anurupya Sutra. Okay, now let's take one example: 12 cube. Okay, now initially what you have to do is, you have to split this number into, you have to take this number into two variables. A is equal to 1, b is equal to 2. Okay, right. Now what you have to do, you have to apply this, right? So a is equal to 1, so 1 cube, that will be 1, right? Now you have to write something like this here, and then a square b, right? So a is equal to, a cube is equal to 1 we have. Now what you have to do, b by a, right, which is 1 into b is equal to how much? 2 by 1, right? So your answer is 2. So you place it like this. Okay, now this part is done. Now you have second term. What you have to do, you have to multiply 2 by 2 by 1, because b by a, that is 2 by 1. Okay, now you'll get answer as 4. This is your third term. Again you have to multiply that with b by a, which is 2 by 1. This gives you 8, which is fourth term, right? This gives you 4, 8. Okay, and then what you have to do for this part, you have to double this number, correct? We have here a square b, and then we have 2a square b. So double this one, you will get this particular term, right? So 2 into 2, that gives you 4. And again here a square b, here we have 4, So you have to double that number, right? So 2ab square, that means 2 into 4 is equal to 8, right? So now what we have here, 1, 2 plus 4, 6, 8 plus 4 is equal to 12, and 8. Okay, here we say this one, this is single digit. Now we have to apply balancing method. Since here we have 8, we don't have to apply any balancing method. Now here, if you see, we have 2-digit number, that means we have to do balancing. That means you have to carry over this one left part number to this number. Okay, you have to add this number, whatever number you are seeing here, that should be added to this one. So that means 6 plus 1, that gives you 7, right? So 8, 2, this is 8, this is 2, and 6 plus 1, that gives you 7, and then what is the last number we have? 1. So this is your answer for 12 cube. Okay, so we have right answer here. Okay, now let's see one more example. Now let's calculate cube of 3-digit numbers. Okay, so here we see this, we have 1 2 3 power 3. Okay, now we have to take these numbers into variables a and b. So I'll take a is equal to 12 left part and b is equal to 3. Okay, for the first one, what you have to do, you have to say 12 cube. Okay, and then you have a square b, second term, right? So what you have to do, b is equal to 3, a is equal to 12. So b by a is equal to 12 by 3, correct? Now for second term, we have to multiply a cube with b by a. A cube is equal to 12 cube. Okay, 12 cube, and b by a is nothing but 12 by 3, right? Sorry, 3 by 12, right? So 3 by 12. 12 1 by, this is 1, you have 12 square into 3, correct? So 12 square into 3. If you calculate this number, what you'll get? You'll get 4 3 2. Okay, and next we have this term a square a b square. For this one again, you have to multiply this number 12 square into 3 into b by a, that is 3 by 12. Ones are gone, so you have 12 into 9, that gives you 108. Okay, now we have last term, that is b cube, that means 27. Okay, for this one you simply need to double this number, correct? So when you double this number, you will get 8 6 4. Okay, and again for this one you have to double this number 108. So when you double this number, you'll get 216. Okay, now what you have to do, you have to add these two numbers and you have to calculate this cube root 12 power 3. So when you calculate 12 power 3, you get earlier when we calculated, what is the answer we have? 12 into 144, 1728, right? Okay, 1728, 1728. Now, okay, now you have to add these two numbers, 2 6 9 12. Again 14 2 3, and you have 27. Now you have to do balancing. Okay, so when I say balancing, whether you have to check whether it's a single digit number or more than two one digit number. Since we have 27, which is a 2-digit number, you have to carry over 2 from here to here. So when you carry over this number, you'll get 3 2 4 plus 2, that gives you 3 2 6. So you have to keep the 6 over here and this 32 2 over here, right? So 1296 plus 32. Now you have to add these two numbers, 8 12 3 1. Okay, now you have 1328, correct? So you have to keep this 8 over here and carry over 132 to this number, correct? So 1728 3 2 132 132, correct? So 8 plus 2 that gives you 10 6 8 1. So here you will get 1860. So what is the final answer? 1860 8 6 and then you have 70. So this is your final answer. Let's check the answer. 1 2 3 cube, right? 1 2 3 into 1 2 3 into 1 2 3 1860867. Right? Perfect. So this is the answer. I hope you understood this. If not, maybe you can take a look at it one more time. Thank you guys.